Capuano coming back on 3 days rest. He has allowed a half a dozen home runs this year. Last time he played against San Diego, remember, he left the mound running over towards first base, pulled a muscle in his calf, and had to go on the DL. Capuano ready, comes back, a roller to shortstop, the quick flip for one, the turn in time, and Denorfia hits into the double play. Hundley has done well in the 8th spot, getting RBIs. Capuano delivers, and it is swung on and missed, and down he goes. And the left-hander deals, swung on and missed. Fastball nailing him, and down goes Headley. 2-2. And strike 3 call, changeup. Down goes Quentin. The pitcher, Andrew Kashner, on deck. Siriaco chasing one almost in the dirt, and down he goes. He's getting within 2 of his 75. He won't get it now. Kashner is fooled on a changeup.